Hey YouTube folks, how are you doing? So I'm starting my new YouTube channel here with motive of sharing knowledge. So basically what we are going to cover in this YouTube channel is mostly about the IT world and like how I'm exploring it daily and what I'm learning daily. Basically, like how I will make difference here is like you will never find some YouTuber who is not going to edit his video and hiding the errors. So basically, when I'm doing anything, okay, it will be same as it is. I'm not going to cut or edit anything from the video, and I will put it as it is. So like it's really motive of me to explore error and then learn from it. So basically that's what my plan is for this YouTube video. Hey, my name is Ankit Patel, aka AnticDude. You can say I have 5 years of professional experience as a site reliability engineer and system administrator, and I would like to share my knowledge with you, and I would like to get some knowledge from you as well. So yeah, let's start this journey. Apart from it, like majorly I'm not going to change this setup. Mostly the slide will be same as it is, and if I get chance I will be recording some videos on daytime as well, but mostly it will be on night time and the light will be same as it is currently what you are seeing. So yeah, that's the plan. Step by step I will cover so many things, from building a resume to getting a job to performing a job, how to be best in your team, how to identify the toils, how to resolve it, how to automate the task, how to develop it, how the infrastructure is working, how the websites are working, and how the entire IT structure can be working. So what are the key parts of the IT? So basically I'm going to cover experience level 0 to experience level 5. As of now I have 5, you can say, and the journey is too long for me as well and for you guys as well. So yeah, definitely this will be helpful to us as well. So now the next thing, what things I'm going to cover. Okay, so I will try to cover few tools and technologies available on the market. I'm going to configure that in the sessions, on obviously on recorded sessions and structured sessions. One by one we will install the tools, then we will start working on it. Let me tell you some future plans about it as well. So I'm going to create one AI chatbot. So to be frank, I didn't try it at all, and this is new for me. So basically you also will be with me and you will get to know like how to create it. I'm not going to edit this. Maybe if I'm struggling it between, then just let me know. Maybe I can improve myself for the same. And yeah, so that's the motive of this YouTube channel, and there is no financial motive at all. Just to share knowledge to the world and get the knowledge. So yeah, that's the major things from my end. Okay, so I guess this sounds like a meeting, but yeah, that's what it's going to be. Basically, I'm going to share the knowledge with you, and I will get the knowledge from you. Yeah, welcome to the world of AnticDude, and thank you so much for the session. See you in the next video. Bye bye.